welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara. I'm on the Continental Divide through hike from Mexico to Canada, a total of 3,000 miles, and I'm about 660 miles in the trail, so more or less a little bit more than 1,000 kilometers. 20% is done, so there is still pretty much to go. This stretch of the CDT will bring me in about 6 or 7 days, it depends on my speed, to Chama. Yeah, I'm almost a bit shocked today. I left this morning Cuba in the New Mexican desert and climbed out for about 12 miles and might be 2,500 feet, and I'm ending in this kind of pristine, very beautiful alpine lake area. I'm extremely surprised how quick the landscape can change within a few hours. Yeah, I left this morning my friends Tim and René. They meanwhile, as famous TikTokers, they have some other duties still to do, but they are heading out also. I think they already have been heading out, so depending on how it goes, they might reach me today, tomorrow, or who knows, maybe at latest next Monday in a week in Chama on the post office while we pick our stuff. But as much as I like them, I really also miss my solitude when I'm hiking with somebody together. Of course, we are not hiking like tied into each other. We kind of just spend lunches together and maybe camp and so on. But still, I'm really loving my solitude. So for me, this is perfect. Like some days with them, and maybe you meet each other again for the north. It's really nice, but right now I'm really happy to be by my own, and I really simply enjoy myself very much.
I could never settle down too far away from my hometown. With my family I am bound. I stick by them till I'm in the ground. Resting on the myth of old, all of the stories I've been told. Secret places hidden well are gone now as far as I can tell.
Good morning. I had a very late morning. I slept in. I didn't start before 8:30, that's very late. But I really enjoyed myself on a little campground with washing my socks in the creek, and it was very nice. Yesterday, late afternoon, evening, I became very, very sad. When I was in these highest areas, there was still snow patches left, and I was just reminded of my childhood, being with my parents in the mountains all the time. And it's them who really showed me the beauty to the nature, and I'm so grateful and thankful for you too, that you did this for me. But I got sad because I wanted to share with them what I'm experiencing, but they are like 80 plus years old, and yeah, it's not possible anymore. But it kind of made me very, very, not depressed, but sad is the right word. But in a way I enjoyed this feeling still. It was very nice. But these are exactly things, thoughts mental states which I don't reach if I have hikers I know in sort of in front of me or in the back of me. These are moments I only can experience when I'm really by my own. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a real practical example why solitude is really nice for me and I enjoy.
All I know is I'm on my way to become a poor excuse of a better one. I've come to realize time goes by on its own. I am stuck here without a home. I could never settle down too far away from my hometown. With my family I am bound. Stick to them until I'm in the ground. All I know is I'm on my way to become a poor excuse of a better one. I've come to realize time goes by on its own. I am stuck here without a home.
Yeah, once again I came to a water source really with the last drop. I kind of had more with me than normally, but it was sort of a really hot afternoon. I was very dry. I kind of had to save the water drop by drop for every 0.3 miles I could take a sip. So that was an experience. I used the cold water as well to treat my sandfly bites a bit. I got last week attacked. Both legs are full and the arms. It's really itching badly. And cold water is just nice and good feeling on them. Happy to be here in this spring now. Very tasty water. And it's evening 6 o'clock. I think I still go on for 1 or 2 hours. It's really nice.
Without a home.
Good morning. Happy to be on trail again. I had a pretty bad night. It was my sandflies, they really bothered me. They were itching so bad that I almost got panic in a certain stage in the tent. So I really didn't know what to do, if I just should keep on hiking, if I should listen to music, but my battery was not too good anymore, have to save. I finally decided to take my antibiotic ointment. I put it on and I ate 2 painkillers. I don't think it helped really, but I kind of got relaxed again and fall asleep. So, oh, such a tiny little shitty detail which can really disturb the night sleep. But happy to be walking again. Very beautiful day up in the higher areas. I just checked, I will move from now on all the time between 9 and 10,000 feet, or 8 and 10,000 feet, but very beautiful. I'll enjoy. I'm just about on the highest point of the CDT main trail in New Mexico, which the point is about 11,000 feet, some feet over, which is actually 1.6 times as much as Kebnekaise, Sweden's highest peak, or even higher than my childhood favorite mountain in Switzerland, which I thought to be the most beautiful and highest in the world. Of course, being as south as we are here in the States, or lower states still, it makes the differences. And while these two tops in Europe, they are both glacial and of course far above the tree line. Yeah, here I'm sitting now on the New Mexican-Colorado border. I just saw half a mile ago my first wolf in my life, and it was sort of funny. I kind of was a little bit in like deep thoughts and not too happy, and all of a sudden I saw this huge, it was a really huge and it looked pretty old wolf, and my kind of heavy feelings, they were blown away immediately. That's the nature. But anyway, with this state change, there will be actually quite a big change for us hikers as well. We changed really section, and we climbed out now of the desert, which was a pretty impressive transmission actually. The CDT is a bit known as well as the trail with the alternates, but it's sort of, you always have to make decisions which route you take, and they have different colors. The main route is the red line. So of course now for the Colorado section there will be also a lot of alternates, and straight after Cumbres Pass, which is like the start of this section, like 3 miles ahead of me now, we will enter the mountain area San Juan. Since I was starting very late, I saw it as an advantage that the mountains will be snow-free, but it sounds and look like that it's not yet. It's a very, very late spring. It has been cold for a long time, but in the other hand, there was not a lot of snow. I know mountains and moving in snow pretty much since my childhood. I'm very used to it. But it's an unknown region. Yeah, I have to pay attention, definitely. I kind of made up my mind, and I'm gonna to hit it. I will not carry these special winter equipment. Some of them recommend like ice axes, micro spikes, and whatever else, crampons, and I'm pretty sure I won't need them. My plan is to just take my time. If there is dangerous snow slopes, I just maybe have to wait an hour or two until the surface has been melting a bit to get grip with the shoes. And I won't attach snow baskets to my poles, just to be able to use the poles as really to stick them down in the snow and have a very, very good grip. So that's how I kind of plan to do it. And then it's a lot of questions about timing as well. And in the same way, of course, snow melting is starting or started, which means that the rivers are coming very high in the mornings. In the afternoons. So if there is crucial river crossings, you might have to consider to wait in the morning to cross them safe. To stay warm around my feet for my knee, I will get my seal skin, so-called waterproof socks, but you just keep on having warm feet. Yeah, that's pretty much what I plan to do. So we will see. I hope it goes well, but of course I might have to change my plan along the way. I'm ready for this if needed, but otherwise I think I try to push on.